If you have your own business or you ship out a lot, you might need this thermal label printer by Nelko. We're about to try it out. They sent it to us for review. Let's try it out. This is how small it looks. It's really cool. I already fed the paper. It does come with the paper, and it says this side should face down because this is an inkless printer. It's an extremely fast, apparently, printer that doesn't use any ink because the paper just gets that thermal reaction with the printer itself. It does come with a really nice app where you can connect all of the accounts that you have with some, regular shippers. Those priority mails and all these labels that usually you would go out and wait for them to make the labels, you can do right here at home, which is pretty cool. So I've connected the printer via Bluetooth, and I will start printing and see how fast it is. It's rendering. And boy, that was fast. Of course, this is a picture of my dog. This is not made for pictures because thermal printers are not made for pictures. I just put that up there. But you can see the quality of the print. You can see the quality of a UPC code, for example, that we just made up. It's super cool. By Nelko, this thermal printer, if you are in need of anything that has to do with shipping, get yourself one of those.